Welcome to the world's largest jungle, Amazon Rainforest. Where is the Amazon Rainforest? The rainforest spreads across 9 countries, and it is so big that if it was a country, it would be the 9th biggest in the world. It produces more than 20% of the world's oxygen. Over 50% of world's animal found in Amazon rainforest. There are 40,000 of plant species, 1,300 of bird species, 3,000 types of fishes, 430 mammals, and 2.5 million different insect species. There are also many deadly animals including electric eel, flesh-eating piranha, poisonous dog frogs, jaguar, and green anaconda.
In Amazon, it rains every 4 days a week, which can add 10 meters of rain in a year. The amount of rain is equivalent to 3-floor residential building, which is huge.
The top branches and the leaves of the tree are so thick, Amazon floor is always dark and smoky. In fact, it is so thick that when it rains, it takes around 10 minutes for the water to reach the ground. The Amazon is home to the world's largest waterfall, the Santo Angel waterfall, which is 979 meters tall. That is truly wonderful.
You can't imagine how human is destroying this forest. Every day, around thousands of trees are being cut down. An average of 137 animal species are dying every day. If this continues, there will be no rainforest left in this land.
Do we really need to protect such large forest and biggest biodiversity in the world? If we need to protect such largest biodiversity forest, we as a human, how we can do it together? Please comment below.